It's got pockets! Well, of course it does, and this skill building session gives you every style pocket pattern there is. We've got inseam pockets, patch pockets and flaps, hand pockets, hip or slash pockets, cutaway pockets, drop-in pockets, cargo pockets, and flaps, and even welt pockets. There are multiple variations of each one, and all are the perfect launching off point to design your own variations. Besides getting patterns for each pocket style, there is instruction for drafting pockets, altering existing patterns to accommodate your pockets, ideal standards, and how to sew each one. There are PDFs with over 20 pages of resources and information, plus 28 pages of pattern pieces. There are 20 videos, plus 3 bonus videos, tips and tricks to top stitch back pockets, how to draft a tummy panel or pocket stay, and how to sew one. You will always find use in this skill building session. I've created instructions that make each pocket easy to sew, even the welt pockets, which include single, double, and the fake welt pocket you see often in home sewing patterns. There are so many pocket styles in this skill building session that I challenge you to find one that's missing. These are all a really great and useful pocket style. You see these in all the patterns that you're using, and I show you exactly how to add it to any pattern that you're using and where it's ideal and where it's not ideal and how to sew it. And if you want to change seam allowances or anything like that, I got you covered. If you have that one garment, you're tried and true, that you're sewing over and over and over again, and maybe you want it to look a little bit different, enough different that nobody can tell it's the same exact pattern over and over again, pockets are a really great way to drastically change the way something looks. And this definitely is going to get those creative juices flowing. Originally released in 2 parts, this bundle includes all pockets, videos, and pattern pieces. You can find it on my website or in the Sew Guild, a community for curious sewists of any ability. Speaking of the Sew Guild, when you purchase this or any skill building session in the Guild, it can occasionally get updates and additional content, as well as Zoom sessions. Happy sewing until next time. Thanks.